Welcome to the Insurtech Story podcast, and our podcast is one of the premier insurance technology podcasts from India for the world. We are available on Spotify, Apple, Amazon Music, and Audible, and insurtechstory.com website. For today, we are going to discuss something on AI adoption and how it's going to work out for the Indian insurance market. And for that, I have a special guest, Mr. Arijit Basu, who is the chairman of the board of HDB Finance Limited, and also an ex-managing director and CEO of SBI Life Insurance and ex-managing director of State Bank of India. And also he is part of the insurance committee at IRDAI, which is the regulator for our industry in India. Welcome, Arijit Basu.
Thank you very much, Shurjo.
So my first question to you when it comes to AI adoption for the Indian insurance sector is, how is AI currently transforming the Indian insurance, and what are the key drivers behind this adoption?
So, Shurjo, as you know, when any good company decides to move forward use of technology, the best companies keep the customer at the center. So the adoption in case of AI, and AI also is an evolving field, as you would know. Every day there is a new development we hear in terms of generative AI. But whatever is already available, keeping the customer in view, the customer's pain points are at the time of onboarding, at the time of the underwriting process, and at the time when their claims are paid. So at each end of that value chain, so AI assistants are available to answer customer queries. Many companies have adopted bots, etc. And, that would have been very difficult if companies had to put in contact centers. So that is one customer benefit that can happen. The other one is if you improve your processes, that all companies try to do that. If you improve your processes, how do you improve processes? So, there have been concepts like usage of AI, machine learning, some concept called black box underwriting, where the underwriting is, seamless, where the data is picked up. So I think all companies, these are technologies which are already available. But beyond this, I think they have to look for innovative products and solutions where even the products and solutions can be designed with the help of AI. Or the agents can be held, agents can be empowered very strongly by enabling them to reach out to customers better. Once they have a customer profile, what is the product that they should offer to the customer? All these things can be done by AI.
So, just out of curiosity, especially in Indian context, of course, we are talking a lot about AI, generative AI. Now it's coming, the agentic AI. And a majority of them are still a boardroom discussion. So when it really comes to the execution part, how are we today? How are we standing today?
So everything is, there is a cost.
Correct.
And one thing that I can say, while it is boardroom discussion, it is very important that the board side with the team or the management when they are faced with a decision to invest or not. But at the end of the day, you are right. The urge or the need to bring in AI solutions has to come from the understanding in the team and the management that the customer is best served by doing the value add which only AI can provide. If AI was not incorporated or integrated in the system, whether it is designing a product or whether it is connecting to the customer, then that would not happen. So the first and foremost is the realization in the team that they need to spend and that they need to incorporate whatever AI solutions are available and give better value to the customer. But at the board level also, it needs to slowly seep up, I would say. Because if the boards then say, you had this budget, why are you exceeding the budget? Sometimes new ideas may come.
Absolutely.
So I would...
So coming to that extension, what challenges do insurers in India face when it comes to, again, AI-driven solutions? And particularly, when we talk about price sensitivity, because India is a very price-sensitive market. And when it comes to insurance, it's more of a push product that we see.
So, for any investment upfront, there will be some impact, but technologies like AI, you have to if you are not there, your entire business model can come under threat.
Right.
Because if you don't pick up a solution which delivers better value to the customer, so someone else will, and they will be offering better solutions. Those products will become more attractive, and customers will buy them. So you cannot afford to be in that situation where you are a laggard. That is true of any technology.
Correct.
And so your ability to invest in technology is one of the key drivers. And I also believe that it's not just pure technology solution.
Yeah.
So today I'm a believer that agents, the agency force which is there in life insurance or even in general insurance, they cannot be done away with. Not just in India, but even overseas, they have tried. But they know that but the way the agents reach out to customers, the kind of solutions that agents can become much more empowered with the help of AI.
Correct. I think that's very well said, because there are many examples that we see that Insurtechs, highly funded, highly respected in the industry, they have tried to sort out the distribution completely digital.
Correct.
But that will really not work out. That human touch is very much necessary, not just in India, across the world. And I think that will stay. And as you rightly said, technology will only leverage that.
Absolutely.
With that, we are at the end of this show, and thank you very, very much, Mr. Basu, and we'll see you at our next episode. Till then, take care and stay safe. Goodbye for now.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Thank you.